こんにちは、リカです。Today's video is for beginners. Today we are learning I already verb. もうました。If you haven't watched my videos yet, please take a look at these two playlists. Level 1 is already completed, and it's perfect for learners who want to learn Japanese from zero. If you follow the numbers, you can learn Japanese step by step. This video is in level 2, so you would have to know ideas that we learned in level 1 in order to understand. Let's learn the phrase, did you already verb? もうましたか? もう is already. ました is the past form of the verb. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please take a look at this video. か is a question marker. The subject you is hidden in the Japanese phrase, so the Japanese phrase もうましたか could be about anybody, not especially just you. However, if you want to be specific, you can add the subject in the front. あなたはもうましたか? To answer to this question, yes, I already past verb. はい、もうました. Again, the subject I is hidden in the Japanese phrase. If you want to be specific, はい、私はもうました. The opposite answer is no, I did not verb yet. いいえ、まだでいません. まだ is yet. でいません is did not verb, but it's not the simple negative present form. ませんでした. What we are using here is て form plus います to talk about something that is currently continuing. However, when you say I did not verb, it means it's not currently continuing, so you would use the negative form, ていません. Te form is very complicated and we will learn it in a few weeks. So let's just forget about te form for now and I would show you something easier. No, not yet. いいえ、まだです. もう食べましたか? はい、もう食べました. Or いいえ、まだです. Let's practice. もうテストの勉強をしましたか? はい、もう勉強しました。もう昼ご飯を食べましたか? いいえ、まだです。もう寝ましたか? いいえ、まだです。もう本を読みましたか? はい、もう読みました。もうこのビデオを見ましたか? はい、もう見ました。Today we learned I already verb もうました. Next week we will learn adjectives. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video was useful. If you like the video, please subscribe. I post every Tuesday and Friday. じゃあ、またね。バイバイ。